Hello everyone, hope you're right. Today I'm going to plant some bareroots. These are Aster, dumosus, Apollo, white plant. These are 3 plants in each pack, and I had 4 packs. I ordered them online the other day. They came as bareroots. I need to plant them 10 centimeter deep in the ground, 30 centimeter apart from each other. They can go up to 50 centimeter tall. They will bloom in August, September. They need full sun. But we are in March and it's still pretty cold and freezing. So because they came as bare root and they were already kind of having new growth, so I thought I would plant them in the pots for now, and once they are developed, then I can transfer them to the ground. So here I have got my setup ready. As you can see, this is the water and the bare roots are dipped in it. I soaked them yesterday, and they say I need to soak them 12 to 18 hours so they can absorb maximum amount of water without any damage. And I should not exceed 24 hours, but it's been 20 to 22 hours now, so I need to put them in the pots now. I have got my compost here and few pots here, so I'm going to plant them in these pots. So let's see how it goes. It's pretty cold today, -1 outside. In the greenhouse it's like 2 to 3 degrees centigrade, and it's morning time. So let me see which one I can have. This is my spatula. So I'm going to put some dirt in, and then I'm going to place a bare root. So I need to see which side is up. So this side where the growth is coming out, I think this is the up side, and these are the roots, so they can go down. So I dig a hole there. Let me take some more soil out so I can put the roots in here, and then I can put the soil around the roots. So I think this is how it needs to go. This is the first time I'm planting bare roots. These are perennial plants. They come back year after year, and these are like from daisy family, white flowers, really beautiful and pretty, and they can go in the middle of a border, flower border. And I'm trying to follow the instructions. The water is pretty cold, so some more dirt in here. So you should not use garden soil for planting bare roots or starting seeds, because that soil is kind of heavy, and plants need good quality soil which is light and fluffy, full of nutrients for good progress. So I would not suggest using garden soil. I think this is the one plant. This is kind of broken. Let me see. Yeah, this is one. Yeah, and this is the offside, so I'm going to do it this way. And you should use good quality potting mix or multi-purpose compost for potting up your plants. So I'm going to keep it this way. This is the previous year growth, and these are new growths. So I'm going to keep them on the top side and just putting the soil around them. Hopefully they should make their way out. just moving them in the middle a little bit. And because it already has enough nutrients in it, so we do not need to fertilize at this moment, but later on when the leaves start to come out and plant is like 1 to 2 inches tall and has got 2 to 3 set of true leaves, then we'll start fertilizing them on a regular schedule. So this is the new growth. This is kind of broken. I'll put it on the side. All roots. I'm just going to put it this way up. Yeah. Fit in this pot and put this oil all around it. If you buy potted plants from nursery, they are expensive. They are established, they look beautiful, but they are expensive too. So it's up to you. If you buy bare roots, you need a little bit of expertise to plant them. Not all of them will make, can't say for sure, but most of them will make, and they are like half the price if you buy established plants. So it's up to you how you want to do it. Another one. I think there are 12 plants in it, but maybe some of the roots are broken or divided. So we'll see how many you can get. So this is the one, I think. There's new growth coming. Pretty cold in here, our zone. March has started, the spring is about to come, but the nights are still freezing and pretty cold. We are in zone 8. I'm prepping my garden for the year, starting seeds, planting bare roots, and lots of things going on. I have got lots of videos on my channel. If you are interested, please have a look. And if you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me and supports me to make more videos. I like to share my gardening vlogs with you people, so I think it can help somebody who is just starting out, maybe, or we can share our tips and tricks with each other. So please do check out my channel and subscribe to my channel. I would highly appreciate it. Leave your feedback in comments and let us know what are you doing these days, what's going on in your garden. So this is kind of big root system. We'll do it like this in this pot for now. We have to shift in a bigger one. I think it won't fit in here, so I'll just put it on the side and see if I can fit another one in here. And if there are some roots which are kind of big, I will do them in a bigger pot. This is kind of big as well too. This is quite big. Really. Oh. You may divide them, like do like this, which I'm going to do here. I'm going to put this here. So here I've got 6 going already, and I find quite a lot of them here. And this one you can go here. There are some broken pieces, you can remove them. You can have a bigger pot, or you can divide them in more pots. I divided this one into 4 sections. I think I have loads and loads of them. Yeah. This is kind of big. Actually, I wanted to buy only 3 plants, but there were 2 options, and I thought I was buying 3 plants and 1 free, but it happened like I clicked on the option which was like 12 plants. And these kind of big roots, so they are dividing, so I'm going to have lots of plants, I think, if all of them make out. This is broken, it can go in here. Sorry for that. I just tumbled on my tripod. another one. I think this is the last one. There's no more. It's just a broken piece. The water is pretty cold, so I need 6 to 7 big pours. So somehow my phone turned off and I couldn't notice. I was actually planting the bare roots, which were like kind of big in these big pots. Everything is frozen outside, and I managed to get few pots. And basically what did I do? I put some soil in the pot as I did earlier, and then I placed my bareroot plants. So these are bigger pots, 5 liter 1 gallon pots, so they can have 4 to 5 plants in it, roots for now. So I placed 4 or 5 roots in here, and then I filled up them with soil, and now I'm going to water them. And later on, once the water warms up, I put them in the ground. I can see they will have plenty of room to grow in the ground. So I apologize for the inconvenience. I wanted to show you how I did it, but somehow the camera turned off and I couldn't do it. So I'm just going to water it, the plants a little bit. It's pretty freezing and cold. And basically it's quite simple. As I showed you, in small pots you can fit 1 root, in bigger pots you can fit 3 to 4 plants, and it just depends what have you got on your hands. So basically you can do it either way. I wanted to do them separate plants each, but then I didn't have enough pots of small size, and some roots were like of bigger size, so they couldn't go in those small pots, and I didn't have like 2 liter or 3 liter pots. I only have these 5 liter pots, so I thought I would do 3 or 4 plants in each of these pots, and this is how they are looking now. So I'll keep you updating about their progress, how they go, and if you want to know how they go and progress, keep watching my channel. Do subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.